Gandhiji once said, "The soul of India lies in its villages." Inspired by these words and taking his legacy forward, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan aims to transform the rural development process by connecting knowledge institutions to rural India.
The main purpose is, there's a lot of research happening in academic institutions. There is a lot of knowledge that is getting generated in academia. The question is, how do we connect it to the local problems? How do we use this knowledge to solve the problems? And India still lives in its villages. A large section of the population live in the villages. So can we apply this knowledge and make the life better in the rural areas, so that the migration that we see from rural to urban areas will also reduce. The rural areas will also become self-sufficient in terms of their requirements.
IIT Delhi, being the National Coordinating Institute, is responsible to manage the large UBA network of more than 45 regional coordinating institutes, 13 subject expert groups, 2,614 participating institutes, covering 29 states and 7 union territories. Supporting us through our journey, AICTE and UGC have been instrumental in making this program a success.
It is very gratifying that a program which was envisaged as a project in IIT Delhi in 2014 now has become a major program of the Government of India, Ministry of Education, as Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. That how higher educational institutions in the country help rural development, help our villages, and utilize the youth, the student of the higher educational institution, as well as faculty members of these institutions.
When we started in 2015, somewhat around at that time, it started with just IIT Delhi as one institution. And today, like 5 years down the lane, we have a network of about more than 2,600 plus higher education institute working for Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. And to coordinate this massive network, we have about 45 regional coordinating institutes. And these regional coordinating institutes are stretched across the length and breadth of the country. There is certainly one RCI, as we call the regional coordinating institutes, is there in each state. And in bigger states like Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, we have even 3 and 4 RCIs that are working there.
Every academic institute adopts a cluster of 5 villages and uses their technical knowledge to empower rural areas in these 5 broad themes: organic farming, water management, renewable energy, artisans' industries and livelihood, and basic amenities.
You see, when we talk about academic institutions, their relationship with the society, with the community, is very, very important. When we talk about the academic curriculum, when we talk about R&D design, until unless they are oriented towards solving the issues of community don't actually own such institutions. So this is very, very important. And when this Unnat Bharat Abhiyan started, the whole concept of the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan was based on this concept, that it is a high time when these institutions should pay back to the society, should pay back to the community.
Having adopted more than 14,000 villages, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan is steadily bringing a change in the rural areas, creating numerous success stories along the way. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, a flagship program of the Ministry of Education, has completed 5 years. In this journey, a lot of work has been done by higher educational institutions, faculty members, and students, with the hope and effort that it will address challenges of people living in rural areas with the use of technology, which will make our villages self-sufficient and sustainable.